The best internet advertising is free internet advertising.
Free internet advertising is one very important method for promoting your products and services to thousands of free classified ads. Most of these free classified ads websites give you the power to facilitate marketing with features such as classified ad submitter forms. Features like this give free internet advertising an extremely fast way of getting your products or services online. It is accessible 24/7, allowing you access anytime. It's very effective and efficient, and most of it comes free. No downloads. No sign-up fees. No hidden charges. No annual or monthly fees. No sales fees. It is absolutely free. Free internet advertising makes it easy for you to put free ads on several of the premier quality websites whenever you want, for free. This kind of benefit you get from free internet advertising can only do, to say the least, miracles for your business. Most of these free internet advertising companies give you 3 slots to advertise any product or service for free. Free internet advertising is the perfect way and best way to make your products or services known to the millions of prospective consumers in the internet and make your website start producing money. There is an enormous audience for free internet advertising that is present in the internet, that the probability of anyone needing your services or wanting to buy your products is very high. There are free services out there that may suit your services, products, and website. Browse the internet for the best free internet advertising for assessment on their amenities and features, how to advertise or join your website for free internet advertising. Most websites promoting free internet advertising have features like classified ad submitter, where you can get an enormous exposure with instant results and expand your sales by large volumes overnight, opt-in email lists, non-spam bulk emailing program, guaranteed 100% legal. Opt-in email lists are created by people who have volunteered or opted in their email addresses to these lists. These lists are very effective for creating personalized email to prospective clients. Free internet advertising provides a great technique for building traffic. People constantly search on online free internet advertising ads for specific services or products. Free internet advertising target clients inclined to buying a particular kind of product or service in mind. And the best reason to advertise in free internet advertising is because it is absolutely free.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.